Hi, I am Irina Costa, software engineer at NXP Semiconductors. In this video, I will introduce you to the Local Interconnect Network, otherwise known as the LIN Bus. LIN was developed as a complementary bus standard to the CAN bus, to address the need for a cost-efficient network to offload devices where speed and fault tolerance are not critical. Today's vehicles use a combination of CAN for powertrain and body communications, LIN for low-cost applications such as body electronics, and FlexRay for high-speed synchronized data communication. The LIN Bus is a broadcast serial network with one leader node and up to 15 follower nodes configured on a single 12-volt wire up to 40 meters in length. This leader-follower arrangement is often referred to as a LIN cluster. Within a LIN cluster, information is transmitted as data bytes serially over the LIN bus, with a maximum baud rate of 20 kilobits per second. A LIN leader node typically transmits a request, known as a header, to one or more follower nodes. This action triggers the follower nodes to return a response. LIN is particularly useful when multiple LIN clusters are connected via the CAN bus within a larger system, such as a vehicle. Let's take a look at a practical example. Say these 4 LIN clusters signify the 4 vehicle doors. If the driver wants to roll down the passenger window, she pushes a button on the driver door. This triggers one LIN cluster to send a message to another LIN cluster via the CAN bus, telling the second LIN cluster to roll down the passenger window. Similarly, the driver could hit a button on her door to lock all the vehicle doors. The LIN cluster would again send a message to the CAN bus, which passes it along to other LIN clusters, alerting them to lock their doors. In today's vehicles, LIN's simplicity and low cost make it an attractive option to control particular subsystems and interface with the CAN network. Automotive applications where LIN is used today include climate control, mirrors, occupancy sensors, windows and locks, and many more. Additionally, the LIN bus is being increasingly adopted within appliance and industrial markets, as it provides an inexpensive, feature-rich option for applications with multiple connected nodes. With NXP's comprehensive CAN and LIN solution, ranging from microcontroller units through system-basis chips and bridge chips, being complemented by software and development tools, you will be able to jumpstart your designs. Learn more and engage with subject matter experts in the LIN community. Join today on community.nxp.com/LIN.